Welcome back to our Steadfast Skill Assessment Academy. Here we are learning what is the use of Robot Coupe machine and what are the advantages and benefits of Robot Coupe machines. Robot Coupe is a brand known for its high-quality food preparation equipment, especially food processors and blenders. These machines are widely used in both commercial and home kitchens for their efficiency, durability, and versatility. Here are some uses and benefits of Robot Coupe machines. Uses of Robot Coupe machines: chopping and dicing. Quickly chop vegetables, fruits, and nuts with consistent results. Slicing and shredding. Easily slice and shred ingredients for salads, garnishes, and recipes. Mixing and blending. Prepare smooth soups, sauces, and dressings with powerful blending capabilities. Pureeing. Create smooth purees for soups, baby food, and sauces. Kneading dough. Efficiently knead dough for bread, pizza, and pastries. Grating. Grate cheese, chocolate, and other ingredients with ease. Advantages and benefits of Robot Coupe machines. Efficiency and speed. Robot Coupe machines significantly reduce preparation time, allowing for faster service and productivity. Ensures uniformity in food preparation, leading to consistent results and presentation. Versatility. These machines can perform a variety of tasks such as chopping, slicing, dicing, blending, and more, reducing the need for multiple appliances. They come with various attachments and accessories that expand their functionality. Durability and reliability. Made with robust materials, Robot Coupe machines are built to last and withstand heavy usage. Designed to handle the demands of commercial kitchens. Ease of use. Simple controls and easy-to-use interfaces make them accessible to both professional chefs and home cooks. Removable parts and straightforward design make cleaning and maintenance hassle-free. Safety. Equipped with safety mechanisms such as locking systems and automatic shutoff to prevent accidents. Sturdy construction ensures stable operation, minimizing the risk of tipping or malfunctioning. Cost-effective. Though initially more expensive, their durability and multifunctionality make them cost-effective in the long run. By speeding up food preparation, they can reduce the need for extensive manual labor. Robot Coupe machines are highly valued in the culinary world for their efficiency, versatility, and reliability, making them a staple in many professional kitchens. If you are interested to go Australia as a chef, please do contact Steadfast Migration Solution Private Limited, Amara Agent Kana Yadav. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please like, share, and comment.